Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes fragrance, makeup, and designer luxury here and there. If you think that is something you would be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to like this video and comment down below anything that you want to see next. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my first impression on this new Sephora favorites kit. If you love Sephora the way that I love Sephora, and you know Sephora, you know that they always come out with new fragrance kits. So this is the smaller one. This was $25 and it comes with 5 travel size perfumes. And in here you get to smell the 5 perfumes, and it comes with a little certificate, and you can take it back and get a full size travel size perfume. Now they do have different sets. I'll pop them on the screen. For men and women, you can do the travel size one, or you can do the full size one where you pay a little bit more. Yeah, if you guys want to see my opinion on this kit, then just keep watching. Now we're gonna go ahead and open her up and I'll show you what comes in it. So it comes with the 5 sample perfumes, and it comes with the certificate that you get in here, and you can take this back to Sephora and get the full-size travel spray of the perfume of your choice. So I already knew when I seen this kit which one I wanted, because I was going to just buy the travel size, but then I seen this and I was like, I might as well get that, because it lets me test 4 other fragrances that I have never smelled before. So I thought that was cool. So I'm gonna take out, so Ellis Brooklyn B is the one I originally wanted, so we're going to start with her. So the main accords on here are honey, sweet, warm, spicy, vanilla, rum, woody, powdery, cacao, aromatic, and floral. Top notes are rum, Devana, I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced. Middle notes are honey, bran, and cinnamon, and base notes are vanilla, cacao, and sandalwood. And so yeah, I've never tried a honey scent, so we're gonna go ahead and spray her. I get the rum, I get the powderiness, a little bit of it, I get the honey, I get the vanilla. It's beautiful. This is going to be the most perfect fall winter scent. If you have not smelled this one, because I haven't really heard too many people talk about this, but if you have not smelled this, you need to go smell this. This is going to be a full bottle. I'm gonna get a full bottle. I might just wait until the Sephora VIB sale, because that's coming up soon. They have a 20% coming up at the end of the month, and I'm excited. Yep, it's a yes for me. Okay, moving on, we're going to do the Clean Reserve next, and this is Skin. So the main accords are sweet, musky, salty, lactonic, leather, powdery, amber, vanilla, nutty, and aromatic. And it just shows the notes as praline, musk, salt, tonka bean, and leather. This should be interesting. I've never smelled this, so I'm a little excited to see what this does. So let's give her a go. I smell this. It's salty. It's salty, but it's clean. Like, I think this is one that you have to put on your skin. I don't smell too much on here. It's really weird. I'm gonna just spray my hand, and I'm gonna see what it does. It's weird because it smells salty, like salty water. Something is warming up and giving me, I don't know, it's something in this. This is nice. This is different. It's like I smell the salty praline in here. I don't know. This is very much different. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit on my skin and see what it does. So hopefully by the end of the video I can let you guys know. The next one I'm gonna try is by Flower Bomb, and this is Ruby Orchid, and this is one of their newer ones. I think I've never really smelled Flower Bomb like that. I don't own any, and I don't know, I just never really smelled it before. So the main accords in this one are vanilla sweet, powdery, fruity, floral, green, and lactonic. The top notes are peach and vine, middle notes orchid, and base notes of vanilla. You know I love me some vanilla, so we gonna see. Oh, that's a nice little spray. This is green. This is green. Like, it's, yeah, I don't think this is a yes for me. I don't really get any of the peach. I get a lot of whatever this vine is. It just gives me a green, like green grass. And for something to be ruby orchid, I just assumed it was gonna be, I don't know, not whatever this is. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. It smells like a green vine, like a plant, like a tree. I am actually just gonna go ahead and say and spray it on my skin. Lord, it's a room full of fragrance. So after it's been sitting on my skin for a few minutes, it still smells very green, like a plant, and I don't like it. So that is a no for me. Okay, so next we're gonna go do Valentino Voce Vive Intencia. The main accords for this one is white floral, citrus, vanilla, mossy, sweet, earthy, and powdery. It already smells like something I'm not gonna like. Top notes are mandarin orange and bergamot. Middle notes are orange blossom, jasmine sambac, and base notes are bourbon vanilla and moss. So let's see. Okay. Yeah, so this smells a lot like the original Voce Vive, like almost identical. Okay, so really quickly, I wanted to get the original Voce Vive and spray this because this smells really similar. It just seems like a little bit more of an intense version of the original. Like, to me, it's not that much of a difference. And I actually might like the original a little bit more than I like this one. It's just very heavy. Both of these are really heavy powdery scents, and I don't love that. Like, I don't mind powderiness, but this is a bit too powdery for me. Yeah, nope. Don't like that either. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the very last one, which is the Replica by the Fireplace. I feel like I'm probably not gonna like this. This isn't really my type of scent. Like, I'm not here in life yet. Like, I'm not this sexy of a woman, so I don't think I'm gonna like this either. So the main accords are woody, vanilla, balsamic, warm, spicy, amber, powdery, nutty, and musky. Top notes are cloves, pink pepper, orange blossom. Middle notes are chestnut, something wood, and Jupiter. Base notes are vanilla, Peru balsam, and cashmere. Yeah, they just don't sound like anything that I personally am attracted to in a scent. So, but we're gonna go ahead and try it anyway. That is spicy. This is one that people should wear dead of winter, like freezing cold outside, 0 below. Yeah, this is a no for me. This is a little bit too masculine for my taste. I know this is a unisex scent, so for men and women, I don't know. I do not think I can do this. It's not horrible. It's not horrible. Like, I think it smells like trash. It's just very strong and very heavy on the spicy. It just, sometimes those pink peppers be a little too spicy for me. You know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on my skin, just a little bit. Like, I literally put like the tiniest squirt. We'll see how it warms up to my skin, and then I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I let it sit on my skin for a few minutes. It's not horrible by any means, but I don't think that this is for me. I am not into strong, heavy, spicy scents. Maybe I will revisit in the future. Right now, it's a no for me. I did thoroughly enjoy trying out all of these scents, but I was correct from the beginning. My favorite is the Ellis Brooklyn B. And yeah, mom's gonna get this. I'm gonna get the travel size, and I'm gonna get the full size once the Sephora sale starts, because I think this is going to be beautiful for fall and winter. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit those notification bells so you guys can see my videos when I post them. I post every, or at least I try to post every Monday and every Friday of the week. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.